we had, quite a good day. It was quite a rough start for us when we put up our jib, and we had a few issues yesterday with our winches, our primary winches, and they failed on us this morning. So we were trimming off our cabin top winches, which was a bit of a challenge for me, but we ended up with 2 seconds and a 4th. The second was in our first race and then also our bay race, so that was really cool. And then this afternoon we're here at the 36 degree brokers with Yachting New Zealand. They're holding a women in sailing event, and we're here with a group of women talking about the sailing and women in sailing, so yeah. AJ Reid and his wife Akka are really keen on having females on board, which is fantastic for us. And on board this week we have Alison Kent and also Celia Willison. And we sail together all the time actually, so we've been sailing together for 3 years, and we sail match racing together as well, so yeah, good group of girls to be part with.